There are several different methods for rotating tires on a dually, but there are three common rotation patterns that we'll cover in this video. Circular, side to side with four matching rear wheels, and side to side with non-matching inner and outer rear wheels. The most common is the circular rotation pattern. This rotation pattern is only meant to be used when the truck or RV has six matching tires and wheels, usually steel wheels. As the name implies, the tires rotate in a circular pattern. The front tire moves to the inner rear moves to the outer rear, and the outer rear moves to the front. Side-to-side rotation with four matching rear wheels. This side-to-side rotation pattern is usually used when the tires on the front are different than those on the rear, but the four tires and wheels on the rear are all the same and interchangeable with each other. This pattern keeps the tires on the same axle but distributes wear more evenly than not rotating the tires at all. First, this pattern swaps the front wheels with each other. Next, the driver's outer wheel and tire moves over one position to the driver's inner rear. The driver's inner rear moves to the passenger side inner position. The passenger side inner moves to the passenger side outer. And finally, the passenger side outer wheel and tire moves around to the driver's side outer position. Side to side with non-matching inner and outer rear wheels. It's common for more highly optioned dualies to have standard steel wheels on the inner rear and aluminum or premium aftermarket wheels on the outer rear and front axle. Not having matching inner and outer rear wheels further limits tire rotation, but you can still get some of the benefits of tire rotation by swapping the fronts with each other, swapping the outer rears with each other, and then swapping the inner rear wheels and tires with each other. There are many more rotation patterns that you can use to address specific wear problems. Also, you can include a spare tire into regular rotation to help keep tire wear across all 7 tires even. To learn more about dually tire rotation patterns and how to rotate tires on your dually, check out tiregrades.com.